What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. And the crypto mining addiction continues even in bear markets. So got a few packages here. I found some decent deals on various platforms and I ordered them up, and hopefully everything actually works, because usually when the prices are too good, it's usually a scam. So I did some tester purchases, and if it's good, I'm probably going to order some more. But for now, let's open these up and see what we got. All right, so we're going to start with this fragile box here. Now, I did pre-cut it off camera because usually I cut my hand off and I didn't want you guys to see that. But there's no blood anywhere, so it looks like we're good on this department here. So let's kind of open this up, see what we got. And we got a box of cardboard for packing purposes. I'm just kidding, guys. That's not what's really in here. So let's just get this out of here. And we got some, these look like power supplies. So some Rogue Strix 550 watt power supplies, gold rated. I found these on sale for about 60 bucks a piece. So 120 bucks for 2 power supplies. I thought that was a decent deal, so I went with it. All right, so here we can see 550 watts. It is gaming power supply unit, 80 plus gold, and it has a 10-year warranty. So awesome on that, fully packaged up. Hopefully I'm not reflecting onto myself when I'm doxing myself, but you know, I have done that a couple times in the past. But yeah, here are some power supplies. Now 550 watts is just fine for what I plan to use these things for. Again, I did pre-cut everything, so let's open this up and see what we got. So I'm sure some of you guys know what's going on here now. So these are 2 Ryzen 3900X CPUs. Now, I did find them online for about 200 bucks each. That is Canadian. All this is Canadian prices. So $400 here, 60 bucks, 120 there. So far we're looking good on price on a build here. But yeah, here are 2 more 3900X Ryzen CPUs. I got to make sure the cooler's in here, because that would tack on a little bit extra of a price if they're not. So I opened up the boxes and it looks like the cooler is involved. Remember, you never know with some of these listings. Both chips do say 3900X on them. You can kind of see right here, right up there, 3900X. 3900X. So everything's confirmed, everything's here. The pins did look good, so we'll see what happens once I get them installed sometime in a different video. But the pricing's good, so I only ordered 2 because I was unsure if I was actually going to get the product. Like I said, sometimes good deals may be a scam, but so far everything's looking good. I believe he has about 7 or 8 of these CPUs total, so if everything does look like it's, you know, according to plan and working as should be, I may order some more because the price is looking really nice right now. So in this third and final box that delivered today, there's still another box that I have to go over that showed up the other day just before the weekend. But we have 2 Gaming Plus Max B550 motherboards. These were on sale for about $90 each. When I found them on sale, I did tweet it out that Amazon was having this lightning deal. It was 90 or 99, I can't remember. We'll round it to 100 bucks. So let's just say so far per rig, we got 100 bucks for a motherboard, 200 bucks, that's 300 here. We got 60 bucks for that, so we're at $360. I have some RAM on the way. That came out to about $40 for 2 sticks. Just some cheap stuff is all we needed. It's not here yet, but that's okay, because I do have some RAM hanging out here, you know, some spares, single sticks left over from other builds. So if you're unfamiliar, most of the profitable algorithms only require a single stick of RAM. Now, I do like to pair up everything, so if I ever do move to something like XMR, I do have another stick that I can throw into these. But most of the time, all you need is a single stick of RAM. So to get by, I do have some extra RAM here to at least build 2 rigs. So I'll throw these 2 guys in it sometime here and then wait for the other RAM to show up. So I'm good on RAM. So also what showed up the other day were these splitters. So as you can see, these are full 24-pin splitters to utilize a single power supply here to 2 rigs. So one of these, 1 power supply can run 2 of these rigs. So when I purchase these rigs now, I like to do it in pairs. That way I have a double setup utilizing one of these. You know, I got my 3D printed brackets here to stand them up like you see going on over there with those rigs and these rigs down here. I guess I got them up there too. I still got to put some on those 2 up there, but everything else does have all those in there. So we're going to be building 2 more rigs here soon, and like I said, 550 watts is just fine for 2 CPU mining rigs. They only pull a 3900X around 95 watts each. So we should be fairly close to the 50% range, and on XMR we're around 109 watts on a 3900X. So running 50% is your peak efficiency on the majority of these power supplies. So that's kind of what I got going on here right now. All right guys, so I was just running some quick numbers here. So as we can see, you know, about 100 for the motherboard. We got 40 for the RAM that's not here yet. We got 60 for the power supplies, 200 for a CPU, and then another 30 for those splitters. So once everything is said and done coming in, I'm hanging out at about $430 Canadian per CPU mining rig. That is a pretty good deal. Oh, I almost forgot something. Some of you guys in the comments may already be saying it. Hard drive. What am I using for a hard drive? Tack on another $20, or I guess $18, because I found these on sale as well. I got some M2 drives, so they're about $18 Canadian. So we're at $448, say, per rig. And here you can see I ordered about 5 of these bad boys. They were fairly cheap, so I got a bunch of SSDs, M2s here. I got some other SSDs in our screw kits and everything. But yeah, hard drive. Don't forget the hard drives. You need that for HiveOS and so on. So we're at about, what did I say, $430. So around $448 or something per rig. So that's under $500 per CPU mining rig. That's looking pretty sweet at this point in time. The other dilemma I am kind of running into is I need more racks. I'm kind of running out of room here. Now obviously these GPUs are turned off. I sometimes turn them on the weekends and stuff like that, but I'm probably going to get rid of that OCTOMINER case right there with the GPUs in it and build out that spot with CPU rigs, because obviously GPUs are not looking very good at this point in time, and it's going to be a while until we see some profits on them. So I'm going to get rid of that. You know, I'll get some more racks, and I'm looking at some bigger racks here so I can get everything looking a little nicer. But for now, I'm probably going to use that space because I'm not mining on GPUs currently. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video. I will see you all in the next one. Rabid out.